Name of the topic is metamorphic petrology. Today we are going to learn metamorphic grades and metamorphic phases. This is the definition of metamorphic grade. It is a general term to describe the relative pressure temperature condition under which the metamorphic rocks form. It refers to the degree or state of metamorphism. It means that it denotes the intensity of pressure and temperature, which are crucial factors in metamorphism. Metamorphism cannot take place without temperature and pressure. So when we talk about its intensity, that is low temperature, low pressure, or moderate temperature, high pressure, or high pressure and high temperature, we talk about its grade. It denotes the intensity of the pressure and temperature, and it refers to the degree of metamorphism, that is low grade metamorphism, medium grade metamorphism, or high grade metamorphism. Next term is metamorphic phases. What is metamorphic phases? After getting subjected to certain temperature pressure conditions, new type of rocks are formed which are called as metamorphic rocks, and every rock is made up of certain minerals. This set of mineral which is typically formed in certain metamorphic rocks is denoted by the term metamorphic phases. It is a set of mineral assemblages in metamorphic rocks formed under similar pressure temperature condition. Means those rocks, those metamorphic rocks which are formed at similar temperature pressure conditions, they possess typical minerals in them. This mineral assemblage and these certain physical temperature conditions are denoted by the term metamorphic phases. Every phase is separated from another phase, but the boundary between the two phases is very vague. There is no very hard and fast rules to demarcate different phases. The boundaries are gradational and approximate. The next term is index minerals. Certain minerals are formed in certain types of metamorphic rocks, and these typical minerals are denoted by the term index mineral. Every phase has some typical minerals in it. These typical minerals of every metamorphic phase is called as index minerals. The first phase is zeolite phase. It is a low grade phase, that is it is formed at lower temperature pressure conditions, and it denotes lowest metamorphic grade. It possesses certain minerals and hence the name is zeolite. These minerals belong to zeolite group of rocks, hence the name is zeolite phases. The minerals are eulandite, analcite, quartz, some clay minerals, lomontite, albite, again quartz and chlorite. Eulandite, lomontite are typical zeolitic minerals, hence the name is zeolite phases. Next phase is prehnite pumpelite phases. Prehnite and pumpelite are the index minerals of this phases, hence the name is prehnite pumpelite phases. It is formed at lower temperature pressure condition, but the temperature and pressure are slightly greater than that of zeolite phases. And the typical minerals are prehnite, which is calcium aluminum phyllosilicate, and pumpelite, which is a sorosilicate. And the mineral assemblage is prehnite plus pumpelite plus chlorite plus albite plus quartz. Next is green schist phases. As the name denotes, it is made up of green colored minerals, and the rocks which are formed in this phases, they exhibit schistose structure, hence the name is green schist phases. It is also a low grade metamorphic phases, The rocks are formed at lower temperature pressure conditions. They exhibit schistostructure, and the green colored minerals are chlorite, epidote and actinolite. The mineral assemblage is chlorite plus albite plus epidote plus actinolite and quartz. Next phase is amphibolite phase. It is named after amphibole group of minerals. Most of the minerals in this phase belong to amphibole group. Hence the name is amphibolite. It is formed at medium pressure and moderate to high temperature. Means as we go further, the temperature and pressure gets elevated. The mineral assemblage is hornblende plus plagioclase plus epidote, garnet, cummingtonite, diopside, biotite. We can see that most of the minerals like hornblende, cummingtonite, diopside, they belong to amphibole group. Next is blue schist phases. Again the name indicates the blue color minerals, their prevalence in this phases, and the schistostructure displayed by the rocks formed in this phases. This phases is formed at relatively low temperature but high pressure. Especially it forms in subduction zone. The rocks which are formed in this phases are formed in subduction zone where there is low temperature but high pressure. The rocks exhibit schistostructure and the blue colored minerals are there like glaucophane and lawsonite. The mineral assemblage is glaucophane plus lawsonite plus chlorite, sphene, epidote, phengite, paragonite and omphacite. Most of the minerals are blue in color and the rocks exhibit schistostructure, hence the name blue schist phases. Then comes eclogite phases. It is formed at higher temperature pressure conditions, means it is high grade metamorphic phases. Both the temperature as well as pressure are high, and it is named after the metabasic rock eglogite. Eglogite rock gets formed under these phases. The mineral assemblages omphacite, garnet, kyanite, quartz, hornblende and zoisite. It is high grade metamorphic phases. And the last one is sanidinite phases. Sanidin is the index mineral of this phases. It is a rare phases which is formed at extremely high temperature and low pressure. For the formation of rocks under these phases, it takes very high temperature but pressure is low, and it is formed during contact metamorphism. During contact metamorphism, the country rocks comes in contact with the igneous intrusion where temperature is very high but pressure is low. Under these circumstances, there is a melting of rock and glass is formed. And the typical mineral is sanidine. Other minerals are cordierite, mullite, sanidine, tridymite and glass, which is formed due to partial melting of the country rock. These are 7 typical and most important metamorphic phases. We have seen metamorphic grades which denotes the intensity of temperature and pressure, and phases which indicates the set of rocks and its minerals which are formed under similar pressure temperature conditions.